install Legacy Launcher, which is another launcher that I'm not using, but it's also very good and stable. So you can get a pretty decent amount of FPS from it. So one of my viewers asked me to make a video about any other launcher than T launcher, because his interface was like not coming after the main T launcher signal. Uh, so he said, please help." So here I am with another launcher. So guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search in your search bar tab Legacy Launcher, Legacy, Legacy and Launcher, Launcher. So you're gonna just press enter. So guys, I've already opened this tab, so this will come up, and then you will just click this download for Windows. It will take a few seconds, and then this file will download. So guys, after this file is downloaded, you're just gonna click open and just wait for it to open, because this is a big launcher and it takes time. So guys, this is the setup. You're gonna obviously select English, or this is, I think, Polish, I don't know. So yeah, the most suitable language is English, so we're gonna select that, and next, and again next. Yes, and and it's your choice to put it at any like drive or whatever. So I'm gonna put in C, and also create a desktop shot. It's your choice again. You're gonna click next and install. So guys, now the files are installing. So we are gonna just wait. It will be 3 or 5 seconds, because it's so fast. And then the Legacy launcher is installed. So guys, it's like T launcher, but still, I think it's better. So guys, you're gonna click finish, and after that, it will start to run. So this interface will pop up, and this launcher will be saying that it's downloading it. So it's downloading libraries now, and the launch is now. So you're just gonna click all right, I got it, and then your downloading will be completed. So after the downloading is completed, so you're gonna click any account, or if you have already have an account. So I'm gonna create an account. So okay, so I'm just gonna make an account like this. Yeah, and this is my account. So I'm just gonna install and play. So guys, this is the files. So guys, sorry, I was just so guys, I was just sneezing, and this is the file section. So this is the version section, and this is, I think, the refresh button. Yeah, this is the manage version, like which version do you want to play, Fabric, Quilt, whatsoever. Okay, and after that, you're gonna click home and just install and play. We're playing the latest version, release 1.21. So it's really fun, I think, for you guys, because you were like commenting on my video that I should make a video about this or another launcher, because T launcher was just a bit too heavy for low end PCs in my point of view. So it's just downloading. It's a little bit big, but I think it will be worth, because it's free launcher, and it's a good interface. It's a clean interface of Minecraft with shaders. So guys, this will load. This will take a few minutes or a few seconds. It depends on your internet and also your graphic card. So mine is not that great, so it will take a bit long. So guys, then there is only 3000 files remaining, which is uh, a big number, but it's not big for installing this launcher, because this launcher had, I think, 15,000 and only 3000 are remaining. So we'll just wait and see what happens, and is this launcher worth it or not? Because I've watched so many videos about this, that this launcher is um good. It gives off I think 50 to 60 fps, I don't know. So we'll just see, wait and see. So I think this launcher will be worth it, but if it's not, so if it's not, I'll make a video about another one, which is, I think, 100% worth it, and it will give you a minimum FPS of 60, and it can go up to 200. Log in with your Microsoft account, your Microsoft account, and without password. And I'm confused, help me. So this like gets you a free account. So, and this also free without password. So I think if you do not have account, so like do this, but you can also sign in with Microsoft. So it doesn't matter, it depends upon your account in which you have to sign in. Okay, so guys, only 455 files are remaining now. It's 440, and gradually it will come to zero, and then our launcher will start. So guys, this launcher was called, I think, Glacy launcher, but they changed it to Legacy launcher. So this is the new name for it, I think. Okay, so it's installing right now. So guys, only this part is remaining. So guys, this video can be divided into two parts. Guys, I don't know, cause my Clipchamp, I use Clipchamp as my video editor, and it only has the recording length of 30 minutes. So this video can be in two parts. So guys, you guys do not worry. Just first click the first video. I'm gonna write like in the description and the title also, so that it wouldn't be difficult for you guys to figure it out, and just click on the appropriate video. So guys, bit, but inside the game's video setting, I will not use extraordinary settings or mods. So guys, it would be difficult, but I'll also show that how to install mods in this OT launcher. Guys, if you vote for this launcher, that how to install mods in this launcher, so I'll do this. Uh, but if you comment me on that, so I'll also do it. So I'm just gonna uh, set my FOV to this. So guys, let me just optimize this, because it's very like this. Okay, guys, this these are some settings, I think, that are good for your game, so that you can get more FPS. So guys, you're gonna click FOE effects off, distortion effects off, minimap levels off. So you're gonna do this, and guys, this is all. I think our game will run smoothly after this. Yes, it's running pretty smooth, and I'm getting 60 FPS.